Greetings of the day. Today we discuss about TDS and EC meter. This meter we used in hydroponic unit for checking water quality. One topic 1.1 specification. This is a 3-in-1 type meter. Company name ionix company. So parameter 1 TDS, total dissolved solids. Second parameter EC, electrical conductivity, and parameter third temperature, unit Celsius. Topic 1.2 demonstration. This is a TDS and EC meter. This electrode insert in water, then this first switch for on off, and this second switch for shifting mode for different parameters, and third switch for hold the results. Currently I taken some result. So first TDS 450 ppm, second EC 990 US per cm, temperature 25 degrees centigrade. These results taken by hydroponic unit water. So this is regarding TDS and EC meter. So please subscribe our channel for more videos, and thanks for watching.